warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. Welcome to my video. I'm Resti Janisha. Today I want to talk about how the Indonesia in the world eyes, not only for its beauty, but also for its growing global influence. When you heard the word Indonesia, what comes to mind? Bali, spicy food, or friendly people? Let's find out how the world actually sees us. Okay, the next slide. Introduction. What does in the world eyes mean? It means how other countries view Indonesia, our culture, economy, and global influence. Indonesia is known as a diverse, friendly, and developing country with growing international recognition. The world now sees Indonesia as more than just an Islam nation, but as a country with strong globally potential. So we'll see Indonesia not from our eyes, but from how others around the world see us. Okay, the next, natural beauty and culture. Indonesia, land of diversity. Over 1,300 ethnic groups and 700 plus language. Rich tradition and warm hospitality. Famous culture Indonesian icon, batik, wayang, and angklung. UNESCO recognized batik, wayang, and angklung as World Cultural Heritage. Indonesia is admired for its friendliness, creativity, and culture richness that unites people of different backgrounds. Forage often describe Indonesia is warm and friendly. They love our batik and how we respect diversity. That's why our culture becomes Indonesia's stronger image worldwide. Okay, the next slide. Indonesia economy and diplomatic role. A fast-growing and cooperative economy. Member the first member of G20 and ASEAN. The second, focus on technology, digital economy, and green energy. And then the last, major exporter of palm oil, coal, and nickel. For example, Indonesia hosted the ASEAN Summit 2025 and attracted global attention with its leadership and niche in the industry that support electric vehicles, the high class. Now the world doesn't only see Indonesia as an agriculture country, but as a modern nation with strong leadership and innovation. And then the next, political and global role. Indonesia role in global stage. The first, active member of the United Nations or UN. The second, leader in ASEAN regional cooperation. And the last, implement free and active forage policy. Indonesia contributes to world peace by sending peacekeepers to countries like Lebanon and Congo. Many countries respect Indonesia for promoting peace, tolerance, and cooperation. Our motto, Bhinneka Tunggal Ika, is not just for us. It reflects how we act internationally, united and peaceful. Okay, the next slide. Environmental awareness. Indonesia for a greener future. Commitment to reduce carbon emission. mangrove restoration and reforestation program. And the last, building the new capital city, IKN Nusantara, as a green and smart city. Indonesia is working with other nations to protect in the environment and fight climate change through innovation and green technology. This shows that Indonesia not only cares about development but also about protecting our planet for future generations. So guys, the next slide, challenge. Challenge Indonesia still face corruption and economy inequality. Education quality gaps between regions, and then environmental issue and pollution. Despite this challenge, Indonesia continues to improve through innovation, empowerment, and collaboration with other countries. We still have homework to do, but our progress shows that Indonesia never stopped moving forward. Okay, guys, the last slide. Conclusion. In the world eye, Indonesia is a culturally rich and diverse nation, economically growing and strong in leadership, peaceful, respected, and environmentally aware. The world now recognizes Indonesia as a proud nation, rich in culture, active and cooperation, and full of hope for the future. So the world doesn't just see Indonesia beauty, they also see our spirit, kindness, and strength. So guys, let's keep making Indonesia shine through education, innovation, and unity. Be proud to say, I'm from Indonesia, and the world know who we are. Thank you so much for your attention. I hope this presentation reminds us to always make Indonesia shine, not only in our eyes, but in the eyes of the world. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bye bye.